Have you struggled finding the right captioning tool that is easy, cheap, and accurate? You're not alone. Trust me, I've been there too, and a lot of our video editors at Vidpros have the same exact problem. But luckily, we have tons of experience testing a bunch of different automatic captioning tools. So that's why we've made this video for you, so you don't have to test them and it will be easy for you to make a decision. We've got 5 tools for you that we're gonna pit against each other, so we'll know which one is the winner. Make sure to stay at the very end because we've got an alternative for you just in case you don't like the 5 tools that we've mentioned. All right, let's get started. The first in our list is, of course, Rev. Rev is the most popular marketplace when it comes to generating transcription for your videos in pretty much any transcription project. And of course, Rev is the only service in this list that you get to work with a human transcriber. Because humans are actually transcribing your videos, you are guaranteed of 99% accuracy. Now, while it is very accurate, you have to consider the turnaround time. For most projects, the turnaround time is 24 hours. Which I think is actually pretty fast already, considering that you'll have to work with a human. So how much does it cost to use Rev? It costs $1.50 per minute of transcription. So that's about $45 for 30 minutes of audio file or video file. So that's actually quite a lot. But you are guaranteed a really good accuracy, and with its high accuracy comes with a price. Yes, a price tag of $1.50 per minute of transcription. So you gotta go ahead and calculate your own minutes and multiply that at $1.50 and you'll get your cost per transcription project. So for a project wherein your priority is accuracy over price, then Rev is definitely the right solution for you. For example, if you have videos about medical topics, then you can't afford to make a mistake in the captions. Now, can you get an accurate transcription without paying for the hefty price tag? Yes, that is definitely possible with Temi.com. Temi.com is actually powered by Rev, but they don't use human transcribers. It is fully AI. Temi.com boasts 90% accuracy of its transcription, and it only costs 25 cents per minute of transcription. More importantly, the transcription is ready within 5 minutes. Temi.com is a free option where you can use its service for free for your first video. I personally use Temi.com for turning Zoom webinars into transcriptions. It is highly accurate, especially in identifying the speakers in the Zoom session. What I love about Temi is that I'm not locked into a monthly subscription, so I'm only paying for every time I need a transcription. If you need occasional captions for your video, Temi is the perfect solution for you, especially if you think that Rev is quite pricey. Another famous tool for transcription and automatic captioning is Otter.ai. It is mostly known for its ability to transcribe video conferencing calls, but a lot of creators also use Otter.ai to transcribe and automatically get captions for their videos. Out of this list in this video, Otter.ai has the lowest accuracy rating, 83%. Now let's talk about speed. Otter takes about 5 to 6 minutes to transcribe a 15-minute audio file. So that's actually pretty fast. The good thing about Otter is that it has a free plan which allows up to 300 minutes of transcription and 30 minutes max per conversation. So that's really generous for a free plan, and it's something that you can keep using every month. Comparing to Temi.com, wherein you're only allowed to upload one for free. If the free plan is not enough for you, they have a pro plan which costs $16.99. It allows up to 1,200 minutes of transcription and up to 90 minutes max per conversation. They also have a business and enterprise plan, but for most creators, the pro plan is already the perfect pricing. The number 4 tool in our list is Descript. I have to say, I'm gonna be a little bit biased because this is my favorite AI tool, hands down. And Descript is a great automatic captioning tool for all of your videos. Descript uses AI to transcribe your audio into text, and it actually boasts 95% accuracy. Of course, like most tools in this video, the accuracy will depend on the kind of audio quality. So the better the audio quality, the better the transcription. I have to say, Descript is really fast in processing transcription and putting that into your video as an automatic caption. Because it's only 95% accurate, you'll probably spend a few more minutes editing some of the text in your transcription. So for example, I record a lot of videos that mentions ChatGPT, and for some reason, it can never get ChatGPT right. So sometimes it's just gibberish words, and it can't always get ChatGPT right in the transcription. So I just go ahead and edit that. You have many options when it comes to pricing for Descript. There's a free plan which allows 1 hour of transcription per month, but they also have the creator plan, which is only $15 per month, allows up to 10 hours of transcription, while the pro plan is $30 per month with up to 30 hours of transcription time. I highly recommend Descript for creators who need transcription, automatic captioning, and other editing tools like cutting the silences and removing the fillers. We have created a full video about Descript if you want to learn more about all its features beyond the transcription. The number 5 tool in this video is probably your favorite video editing tool, but did you know that it actually has an amazing speech-to-text built-in feature that you can use to automatically add captions into your videos? If you don't know that yet, then I'm glad that you are watching this video, because it's something that you can start using already in your next video editing project. Premiere Pro actually has a 95% accuracy, which is similar to Descript, but the great thing about Premiere Pro is that if you're already using it, you don't have to pay extra for the feature because it's already included in your current subscription. Plus, you don't have to learn an extra tool in order to generate automatic captions. Because it uses AI, you will get the transcription almost instantly. Premiere Pro is $31 per month, but that actually includes all of its features, not just transcription. This is perfect for creators and video editors who are already using Premiere Pro because you don't have to pay extra, you don't have to keep switching screen. It just creates a better workflow for you when you are editing. Now that we've listed and compared those 5 tools and services for automatically creating captions for your video, who is the winner? Well, the winner depends on who's gonna be using the service or the tool. For example, our video editors at Vidpros highly recommends Premiere Pro because they're already using Premiere Pro. Plus, they love it because it's super fast and it's also accurate, and they don't have to keep switching screens when they're editing a video and generating the captions. And you can trust the recommendation because they've tested all of the captioning tools that we've mentioned in this video. Now, for me as a creator and definitely not a video editor, Descript is the winner for me because it's so easy to use. It also has all the other simple editing features that I'm looking for. Plus, the pricing is not so bad either. It's only $15 per month, so it pretty much covers all of my video editing workflow, including generating the transcripts. But if your project requires highly accurate transcription without you editing the transcription that was generated, then Rev is the winner. Make sure to take account the pricing and the turnaround time for your video projects that uses Rev. Now, thinking about all those tools still is a lot of work, even though you're using AI to generate most of it. But if you don't want to think about all of that stuff, then we've got the perfect alternative for you. The best alternative is to work with video editors who are using this transcription tool to generate the automatic caption for you. And yes, I am talking about Vidpros. Vidpros is an on-demand video editing tool with highly experienced video editors that are equipped with the latest technology around transcription and auto captioning tool. Once you're a Vidpros subscriber, all you have to do is submit the video in our portal and request for the caption, whether it should be a separate file or burned in the video. And that's how easy it is. If you want to learn more how Vidpros work, we have the link below the video. Those are the top 5 tools for generating automatic caption for your videos. We hope that you have everything you need to make the decision as to which tool or service is right for you. If you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos about the latest AI tools for video editing. If you have suggestions for our next video, please do comment below. We'd love to hear them. My name is Irene Chan, and I'll see you in the next video.